Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Amni and today we will learn how to make Google Translate in Scratch. So, before starting, let's see how it will work. First, it will ask us a question. What do you want to translate? So, for example, I will type Google Translate. Then it will ask us another question. What language would you like to translate it to? Please spell it correctly. So I will type French, for example. Now, right here it says it, and over here a speaker button pops up. So after I click on it, it will say the word out loud, the language we translated it to.
Google Traduction. Google Traduction.
See, so this is how it will work. Now let's go ahead and start. Now, before we start coding, we need to open Scratch. So in the URL menu, I will type scratch.mit.edu and then I will click on Create. And now let's start coding. Now I will delete this sprite and I already have this speaker and the backdrop up. So we needed to do something when the flag is clicked. So I will go to events and then grab one flag clicked and we want it to hide. So after it's hidden, we don't want it to show it until the word and the languages that we chose are set. So now I will go to backdrops, go to events, and then grab when flag is clicked. But as you see, we don't have say block right here, but we do in speakers. So what we will do is grab the say block, drag and hover it over backdrops. Then after, as we'll see, we will be having this say right here. And for now, we'll be deleting all hello because we don't need it right now. And then it will ask us a question that what do you want to translate? But now I'll have to create a variable and we will be naming the variable word and the other one language chosen. So, and our answer for the first question will be the word. And right here I'll set word to answer. And then it will ask us another question. What language would you like to translate it to? And in parentheses or round brackets, I will type, please spell it correctly. If you don't spell it correctly, you will be getting the exact same word that you chose to be translated. Now I will set language chosen to answer this time. And after it's all done, we will go to events, grab broadcast message, and then, for example, I'll name the message speaker, speak or not, because it's our wish that we wanted to speak or not. That's why I'll be naming it speaker speak or not. And then I'll duplicating the say one and putting it underneath all of this. Then as you see, we have this extension one right here. Then when I click on it, I'll see a lot of them like music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, Makey, microbit, Lego Mindstorm, EV3, Lego Boost, Lego Education, Wido 2.0, Go Direct Force and Acceleration, and right here are text to speech and translate. So the text to speech makes our projects talk and translate words to many languages. So first I'll grab text to speech, then I'll grab translate. Now we have both of them because text to speech will make the speaker say the word and translate it to language and also say it in accent. So it will say translate word to language chosen because the word will be the word we wanted to translate it, and the language chosen will be the language that the word will be translated to. Then I'll go to speakers. Then after going to speakers, I'll be doing it when I receive speaker speak or not show, because that's what happens, right? That when the speaker is speaking or not speaking, but still the button is shown. So that's why it will be there. And when the sprite clicked, I'll go to events, grab when the sprite is clicked, which means when the sprite is clicked, it will say the words which you want. So this time I'll go to text to speech, and then grab set language to, and then I'll go to variables, get language chosen, because we wanted to say it in the accent that we got here, right? So that's why. And then we wanted to speak, so we'll grab speak, and we'll do the same as we did here. Translate word to language chosen. So again, I will go to translate, grab translate, hello to Ukrainian, and then go to variables. Where hello is, I will drop their word, and where Ukrainian is, I'll drop their language chosen. And see what happens. And then, see, like when the flag will be clicked, this is our first question that we had here. Look, what do you want to translate? And then after it here was set word to answer. Now here it is 0. Here, for example, I will type scratch. And then after it's a scratch within here, and then I click on the tick button. See, the word that here was 0, now it's scratch. So our next question is here. What language would you like to translate it to? Please spell it correctly. So that's the same question here. Then here, for example, I will type Spanish, and then the language chosen, it will be Spanish, and see it said the word. Now when I click, will say it again. Now it will say the word.
Rasguño. Rasguño. Rasguño.
See. Yeah, this was all. And yeah, one more thing. Hide them. I'll still keep showing. And let's name it Google Translate. So yeah, this was all. Thank you. See you later. Goodbye.